Hey guys, Dave Jr. with Wellbuilt Equipment. Don't forget to check us out on the web, wellbuiltequipment.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment in the comments section down below. Today we're getting down and dirty about using your machine on unlevel surfaces. We have an electric slab scissor here from Genie. We just want to show you guys the importance of making sure that you always use the machine on firm level ground as it was intended. So you can see we have our floor drain right here in our shop. I pulled the machine up to it, and I'm just going to give you guys an example of why you always raise it up on level ground. That is also firm level ground. So I'll go ahead and just for my little bit of weight, you can see how much gap there is on that. Before you go too far up, walk the area, do your work site inspection, pre-operation inspection and function test to make sure that machine is going to be usable in the workplace you're taking it into. You never want to set these machines up on anything other than firm level ground. It says it right in the manual. We preach it in our safety training classes. Now you guys get a good visualization of why that is so important. Alright, so now you guys are up to speed on operating a machine on firm level ground.